In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bookmap Time and Sales, a 2026 full guide. Start by opening Bookmap and loading the market you want to analyze. Once your chart is up, make sure the Time and Sales column is visible. If you do not already see it on your layout, open the columns panel and enable Time and Sales from there. This panel is important because it gives you a live record of executed trades as they happen. To use this tool effectively, first understand what it is actually showing you. Each row represents a completed trade. In most cases, you will see the time of the trade, the price where it happened, the trade size, and the aggressor side, meaning whether the buyer lifted the ask or the seller hit the bid. That basic information is what helps you read order flow in real time. Next, pay attention to the trade colors. Green trades generally indicate aggressive buyers, which means buyers are crossing the spread and lifting the ask. Red trades indicate aggressive sellers, meaning sellers are hitting the bid. This color coding makes it much easier to quickly understand who is being more aggressive in the market at that moment. Trade size also matters a lot. Smaller trades often reflect lighter participation and can sometimes be less meaningful on their own. Larger prints, on the other hand, may suggest institutional activity or at least a stronger level of market interest. Because fast markets can produce a lot of noise, it is often helpful to apply a minimum size filter. This lets you focus on larger trades that may carry more significance. The ideal filter depends on the market you are trading, so adjust it based on the instrument and the typical volume you see. You should also monitor the speed of prints. When trades are coming through rapidly, that can be a sign of momentum or rising volatility. When the tape slows down, it may suggest lower participation or a market that is consolidating. To get more value from time and sales, compare it with the Heatmap and volume dots. If large trades are occurring near major liquidity levels, that can help confirm support, resistance, breakouts, or absorption. This is where the tool becomes much more useful because you are no longer looking at trades in isolation. As you watch the tape, look for recurring order flow patterns. For example, large buying prints with very little upward movement can suggest seller absorption. Large selling prints with little downward movement can suggest buyer absorption. And if you see consecutive large trades in one direction, that can support the idea of a breakout. Finally, practice with time and sales in replay mode or on a simulated account before using it in live trading. It works best as a confirmation tool,